How to make a cake vegan. Number 1. Review the recipe to determine the non-vegan ingredients. Typical non-vegan cake baking ingredients include eggs, butter, milk and even refined white sugar, which is manufactured with animal bones. Number 2. Search your pantry for items that make good substitutes for the non-vegan cake ingredients. Most non-vegan cake ingredients such as eggs and butter can be easily replaced with typical household grocery items. For example, bananas and applesauce replace eggs and margarine replaces butter. Number 3. Omit the use of eggs from the recipe and replace with a comparable ingredient. 1 egg can be replaced with 2 tablespoons ground flax seed stirred into 3 tablespoons of water. Replace a single egg by mashing half of a banana or using 3 tablespoons applesauce. 1 egg may also be replaced with a quarter cup, 59.14 milliliters, of soft tofu that's been run through a blender. Buy a vegan egg replacement product. This non-dairy powdered mix is usually found in health food stores. Number 4. Replace any milk used in the cake recipe with non-dairy alternatives. Soy and almond milk are the most recommended replacements when baking. You can also use hemp, coconut, or hazelnut milk. Use the same measurements when substituting dairy milk with vegan replacements. Number 5. Substitute butter with equal amounts of a vegan butter alternative, such as margarine. Be sure that the margarine you use is not made with animal-based ingredients. Health food stores usually carry 100% vegan margarine. Another option for replacing butter with a vegan ingredient is vegetable shortening or applesauce, which can replace up to 3/4 of the total butter used in any baking recipe. Number 6. Choose a vegan sugar substitute, which is generally healthier than refined brown and white sugars. These include granulated cane sugar and date sugar as well as new plant-based sweeteners. Granulated cane sugar may be used in the same proportion as refined sugar. If using date sugar or a plant-based sweetener, use less amounts in the recipe than refined sugar. These products are far sweeter than typical refined sugar. Liquid sweeteners such as barley malt and maple syrup can also be used, but be sure to slightly reduce the use of other liquids in your cake recipe. Number 7. Replace refined white flour with healthier alternatives. Vegans prefer to use non-refined flours made with barley, brown rice, potato and kamut, which are found in health food stores. Alternatively, you can ground 1 cup, 236.5 milliliters, of whole rolled oats to create 3/4 cup, 177.4 milliliters, of oat flour. Number 8. Make the frosting. For a vegan cake frosting, replace the use of butter with blended tofu and cooking oil or margarine. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.